Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got an advent calendar for summer and it is from Rituals. 13 gifts of happiness and it's called the Summer of Joy. Huge box. It costs £59.90. It has a value of £118 and as it says, it contains 13 products. If you're interested in this advent calendar for yourself, then you will find it down below in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. Now if you spend over £60 on the Rituals website, you get a freebie. I had a freebie anyway. With my order, I was able to choose a freebie. And this is the Ritual of Sakura Sensational Foaming Shower Gel 50ml, and there was two options, so I went for this one. I love this scent. Then I noticed another offer. If I spent over £60, which was an extra 10p more, then I'd have another freebie. So I had a look on their website and I went for the cheapest thing I could find. And I went for the Ritual of Namaste Natural Skincare Purify Biodegradable Cleansing Wipes Moringa and Holy Lotus. And there's 10 sheets in there. And this was, I think it was £2.20, something like that. Then I got to choose an extra freebie and I went for this. This is the Ritual of Ayurveda Roses from India Fragrance Sticks. This is a mini Indian Rose and Sweet Almond Oil, 70ml. Now, I really don't like rose-scented products. Really don't like it. But I love this. I do love this. Look, it's just a little mini version. Oh, I can't wait to use it. I can smell it now. It's really nice. I really love that. Let's get on to opening up this advent. Now, it's been a couple of months since I did my Christmas advent calendar unboxings. I did around 25 of them, so quite a lot. So it's been a few months since the last one. So I might be a bit rusty. But it says here, take time to do what makes the soul happy. This is the first time I'm opening this up. There's an hourglass in the middle there. Can you see? Maybe the reflection of the ring light. Oh my gosh, it looks so, so lovely. With the launch of the Art of Soulful Living, Rituals aims to help you focus not only on body and mind, but on the soul as well. For we believe that balancing these three human elements is the key to a fulfilling and soulful life. To help you explore the art of soulful living, we designed a compass to guide you on a journey to personal well-being. The compass enables you to pay a little more attention to the true nature of who you are physically, emotionally, and spiritually, and provides easily accessible tools, practices, and everyday routines that will help transform your life. Okay, so day number one then. It doesn't say when you're supposed to do it, when you're supposed to open it up. No, it just says it contains custom-made editions as well as some of our favourite products for a soulful summer. Okay, so starting on day number one, which is joy. Joy is the kind of happiness that does not depend on what happens. Did you know that the scent of sweet orange boosts your mood? Start your day on a positive and vibrant note with a shower routine that brings joy to all your senses. I absolutely adore Rituals. Their Christmas advent calendars, oh my gosh, they're beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Oh, this is a really big size. 200ml. The Ritual of Myrrh. This is an energizing foaming shower gel. This is a gorgeous scent. Really, really nice. Yeah, really happy to have a full size. I can only just smell a tiny bit of it. Yeah, really happy. Their shower gels are amazing. You only need a tiny squirt and a load of gel comes out. Yeah, really nice and foamy. Okay, day number two. Over here, we got awareness. Awareness is like the sun. When it shines on things, they transform. Being aware of the world around you allows you to find happiness in the little things. Simply give your full attention to the scent and the texture of this product and enjoy the moment of much deserved self-care. Ritual of Karma. This is a mild body scrub paste, clay and white tea. And there's 70ml there. Again, this is a gorgeous scent. Yeah, really nice. So a mild body scrub paste. Oh, it just smells so nice and fresh. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. So that's day two. Okay, day number three, gratitude. We often take for granted the very things that most deserve our gratitude. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude gives you a simple formula to experience more happiness in your everyday life. While you nourish your skin with this velvety, luxurious cream, think of 5 things you are grateful for today. Another Ritual of Karma. And this is Spread the Kindness Body Cream, Holy Lotus and Organic White Tea. And there's 100 mils there. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Really nice. Is it sealed now? I'm going to put a little bit on my hand so I can smell it. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, it's really, really nice. So that's day number 3. Day number 4, forgiveness. To forgive is one of the greatest gifts you can give to yourself or others. Forgiveness and well-being go hand in hand. By letting go of resentment and anger, you make room for positivity and joy. So how you will move forward in life is all in your own hands. And we've got another product from the Ritual of Myrrh. This is a recovery hand balm for dry skin. Got 70 mils here. The hand balms are amazing. Really, really lovely. Really nice. They do hand lotions as well. But yeah, my hands are really dry on the knuckles there. They both smell a different scents now. So we've got a Ritual of Myrrh recovery hand balm. Day number 5, and we've got mindfulness. If you're always racing to the next moment, what happens to the one you're in? Regret lives in the past, anxiety lives in the future. The only important moment is in the here and now. This candle meditation will help you start your mindfulness practice and improve your sleep routine. And then there's a QR code there to scan for a candle meditation. Oh, I love this box. I love it. This is, oh, sweet jasmine. Oh, it smells so nice. Yeah, it smells so nice. We had a few of these in Christmas advent calendars. Yeah, I really like that. So this is from the private collection. Day number 6, authenticity. Be yourself, everyone else is already taken. Make time to reconnect with your soul, your inner voice. Start your morning skincare routine today in silence and ask yourself questions you would normally ask a friend. We've got a Ritual of Namaste Glow Radiance Anti-Aging Serum, Saffron Flower and Holy Lotus, and there's 10 mils there. Skin Radiance Anti-Aging Super Serum. So that's day number 6. Day number 7, large one down here, purpose. Follow your passion, it will lead you to your purpose. Fragrances hold the power to take you to places of serenity and calm, which helps you to successfully discover what you are genuinely passionate about. Pursue that passion and it will lead you to a place of happiness. Oh, I've got a home perfume, Ritual of Myrrh. This is the sweet orange and cedarwood, and there's 50 mils here. So it's a home perfume. I love these little sprays. We had one in the advent calendar for Christmas. I think it's the Ritual of Ayurveda. I think so. A little bit smaller than this though. This is bigger, but they're great. I really like it. Look. Oh. Oh, it is so uplifting, this scent. It is really, really uplifting. I've got a home perfume there, a decent size one. They're all over the place now. Day number 8, and we have got positivity. Our attitude towards life determines life's attitude towards us. Nurture your mind with positive thoughts and you'll start to see positive results. Practice your body care routine with positivity and you'll start your day with a sparkle. Oh, yeah, this is really pretty. The Ritual of Karma. This is a soul shimmering body oil. And there's 30 mils here. See all the glitter inside. But it doesn't come out super glittery on the hand. You might not be able to see much. It's just a really gorgeous, pretty shimmer. I've mixed it now with the Ritual of Myrrh. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. What did I have on there? The hand balm, I think it was, wasn't it? Yeah. So we've got a little body oil there, the Ritual of Karma. Day number 9. We've got love. Listen with ears and tolerance. See through the eyes of compassion and speak with the language of love. Real love can only be shared if we have mastered the art of loving ourselves. Love your body, love your mind, love your soul, and take care of all 3 with heaps of love. And we've got the Ritual of Karma. This is an after sun cooling shower gel. This is a first for me. I haven't had this before. Aloe vera and white tea, and there's 50 mils there. I don't think I have had it anyway. A cooling after sun shower gel. That just sounds amazing. Yeah, do like it. This is going straight into my little holiday prep bag. Next, we've got day 10, and we have got compassion. Compassion is that silent force that lifts the spirits of everyone you sprinkle it on. Open your heart, don't judge. Simply listen and be kind to the feelings of others as well as yourself. And we've got a ritual of karma. We've got a hair and body mist, and there's 20 mils there. Let's see. Ooh, I got a few of these little body mists. Oh, it's so nice. It is so nice. We've had a lot of items from the Ritual of Myrrh and the Ritual of Karma ranges, and I think we've had 1 or 2 from the Ritual of Ayurveda as well, if I remember rightly. But yeah, out of them all, the Ritual of Karma is my favourite, I think. It just smells so fresh and just so lovely. Yeah. What is it? What is it? Holy Lotus and Organic White Tea. Day number 11, and we've got Passion. Passion is energy. Embrace the power that comes from focusing on what excites you. Boost your mood with the power of scent and allow it to fuel your passion. But most of all, remember that people who feel passionate about their dreams and ambitions can make the impossible happen. Okay. Ooh, look. We have got here Rituals. It's an eau de parfum. Which one are you? Is it L'Eclat? I haven't had this one. Bottle. It's really smart, isn't it? Smell. Oh. Oh. Pepper. Musk. I'm not great at describing. I can smell pepper and musk. Oh, what is it? Let's have a look. Let's have a look online to see. What is it? So have a look at the perfumes. Okay, right, here it is. Here it is. So we've got 15 mils. To purchase the 50 mils, it will cost you £42.50. It's a unisex perfume based on the clean, smooth undertones of neroli. Although I didn't pick that up. It's smooth undertones of neroli and enriched with sandalwood notes. Eclat can be layered or applied on its own to create an individual and bespoke bouquet. The fragrance belongs to the woody family and contains 84% natural origin ingredients. All of our elegant perfume bottles can be disassembled completely, making them 100% recyclable. Normally I wouldn't go for woody perfumes. I'd be like, no, I'm more of a fruity floral. It's quite a strong scent. It's stronger than what I'd normally wear for the day. So yeah, it's definitely more of a sensual, woody nighttime scent. I know what I mean. Then day number 12, we've got kindness. Oh, this is heavy. No act of kindness, however small, is ever wasted. Kindness is a comforting mist that covers even the most challenging situations with a warm embrace of soothing softness. Choose to be kind always, for it can bring a life-changing difference into someone else's day. I thought we were getting a Ritual of Karma shower gel. It's not. It's a water spray for face and body, anti-pollution. A water spray. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with mists. 150 there. Oh, I haven't had this before, so this is completely new. According to ancient Hindu belief, living with good intent attracts good karma. Do good and good will come your way. Oh, I'm going to have to spray it. Oh, it's a fine mist. Oh. Oh, and it smells so nice as well. But not strong at all, just a very, very faint scent. Oh, it just feels so nice. Feels so nice. So yeah, a water spray for face and body, anti-pollution. I'm going to have to look that up and read more about it. And then lastly, day number 13, we've got this gorgeous hourglass. Does it say here? Day number 13 is for reflection. The quieter you become, the more you can hear. Use the hourglass and our guided meditation to set aside 15 minutes each day for reflections. Discover the art of soulful living. There's a QR code there. Oh, I love that. I absolutely love that. I'm going to give that a go. So it takes 15 minutes for the glittery sand to go down. I really like that. It's pretty. Gold Sand. Yeah, overall, I am really impressed with this summer advent calendar. I just think the message behind it is beautiful. Taking some time out for ourselves, figuring out what we want, who we are, what our dreams are. Yeah, oh, I just think it's really, really lovely. So I've put everything back in their boxes. I'm going to reopen them one day at a time, starting... When shall I do it? I could do it anytime, really, couldn't I? Maybe I'll start tomorrow with day number 1 and do exactly what it says on the box, exactly what it's intended for. Looking at all the products now, if you're a fan of Ritual of Karma and a Ritual of Myrrh, then this is for you. But also there's a few other different scents from the different ranges with the perfume and a few other things as well. I can't remember now. I've put them all back in their boxes. So I'd love to hear what you think. What do you think of this idea? Do you think it's great that Rituals have come out with a summertime advent calendar? And will you be buying it for yourself or as a gift for someone? Or are you watching this thinking, I'm not sure, or are you watching this thinking, do you know what? No way am I buying that. It's not for me. Whatever your thoughts, I would love to hear. So please comment down below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.